New at 10, a jury could soon be deciding the fate of 3 former Memphis police officers charged in the beating of Tyre Nichols. After 3 weeks and a day, the prosecution and defense have now wrapped up their cases for Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, and Demetrius Haley. Closing arguments begin tomorrow morning. WRG's April Thompson has more on what's next in the trial that has the nation's attention.
28 witnesses taking the stand in a trial that can decide the fate of Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, and Demetrius Haley. The final witnesses, called by Justin Smith's attorney Martin Zumock, testified their thoughts on Smith and his actions the night Tyre Nichols was beaten. A use of force expert saying from what he saw on video, the officers were acting within their police training when trying to get Nichols into custody. And Smith's actions were consistent with what he was taught, saying diversionary slaps can be used if a suspect is resisting. The remainder of the witnesses spoke to the character of Justin Smith. Those who supervised him or worked beside him, describing him as a hard worker, passionate about his job. One even saying, if one of my grown kids had done something to be arrested, I would want Justin Smith to be the one to arrest him. Prosecutors questioned those witnesses about actions of a good worker, and if it includes not using excessive force, stopping others from using excessive force, and not laughing about the use of excessive force. But it will be up to the jury to decide these officers' fate. Among those watching the case, Tennessee State Representative G.A. Hardaway. He says different members of the Black Caucus plan to be in court for Tyre Nichols' family. And Hardaway is already looking ahead at a bill he hopes to sponsor to improve police body cameras.
There are things that came up today that I'm going to offer to my caucus that we should consider putting these forward as legislative ideas for 2025. Speaking about the body cams and the way that they come on automatically, whether they should record when you pull your holster, or when you pull your pepper spray or your taser, and or when you get out of your car, you unholster your weapon, or when you unrack your shotgun or your long gun. But we'll be looking at that. We'll be looking at the training that the state offers, the post-certification that the state offers, and see where it needs to be tweaked.
And it seems this trial is heading to a close. Closing arguments are set to begin Tuesday morning here at federal court at 10 a.m. Reporting for your news leader in downtown Memphis, April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3.
Now, there was some debate over whether defendant Justin Smith would testify. Right now, it doesn't seem that will happen.